Hey there everybody, we're here in our front parking lot on a beautiful day, and I am here with Judy Nicholson, who is one of the owners of the Bruce Company. And Judy, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do here at the Bruce Company?
Well, I love to meet people. I love to hand out stickers. I love to hand out balloons. I love to say hi.
Judy is the Bruce Company ambassador. And so we're going to talk a little bit about what Judy's favorite plant is today. And Judy, today, what's your favorite plant?
Every day is hydrangeas.
That's simple.
It is.
So what do you like about hydrangeas?
Well, they're easy to keep. They're beautiful. They're white. I love white. And you can always smash up your whole garden with them, and it brings out all the colors of the rest of the garden.
Oh, nice. So Judy likes these panicled hydrangeas, which she's got one right next to her in a tree form. Panicled hydrangeas are one of the more adaptable. Some of the other hydrangeas are a little bit trickier to site. They have some special needs, and so if you stop into the garden center and describe what your yard is like, we will help you find the hydrangea that is best for your yard, because there is a hydrangea that's good for every yard. And they're all really beautiful.
They really are.
They really are.
Really are.
So thanks for watching, everybody. Happy gardening, happy summer gardening from all of us here at the Bruce Company.